Sweet Notes Music. Let's get it on! Everybody, come on! Yeah! Put your hands in the air, come on! Let's sing this song together! Woo! Hey!
Looking in her eyes, I see paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeding for you.
Ready ba tayong sumabay?
Hey!
Let them say we're crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in mine and baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Then we can make it. We're hard to hold.
Sabay, sabay!
Come on! And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world is out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, oh.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Say it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I wanna do.
And I said it all. Let them say we're crazy. Run till they know. Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Then we can make it. We're hard to hold.
Taas kamay!
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still hold each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Ooh, all that I need is you.
All that I ever need, and all that I wanna do is hold you forever, forever and ever. Yeah! It's me, John Guitar. One more time. And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Be this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
And nothing's gonna stop us now.
Nothing's
Hey,
gonna stop
baby. And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Woo! So once again, magandang gabi sa lahat! Happy founding anniversary! Gusto nyo ba ba?
Hey! What's up, Santa Ignacia?
What's up? Yes!
Grabe, ang daming tao sa likod. Ayos naman tayo dyan sa likod. Kumusta yung energy yun nasa likod? Ayos na ba? Oy, since first time namin ditong mag-perform ng public, gusto namin makita yung mga energy ng mga ka-Sweet Notes natin. Dito kung sino makita namin pinakamataas ang energy, mamimigay po kami ng sorpresa.
Ayun!
Kung sino makita namin pinakamataas ang energy, mamimigay po kami ng jersey ng Sweet Notes.
Hoy!
Yun,
Ayun,
no?
lumabas bigla yung mga energy.
Diyan sa gilid,
Ayan.
ayos ba tayo dyan?
Ayun.
Sige, puntahan natin sila mamaya.
Oo, mamaya bababa kami para hanapin natin yung mga matataas yung energy ngayong gabi. Ayun. But this time, sino ba mga mahilig sumayaw ngayong gabi? Ayun. Marami din pala mga dancers. So if you know this next song, guys, pwede kayong sumabay, pwede kayong sumayaw kung saan kayo komportable dyan. But just enjoy the song. Here's for you. Come on! Everybody, come on!
Let's go! Baby, when I met you, there was things I've known. I said to get you where to find good come out something inside. There was something
Wala sa harap,
going
baka gusto niyo sumayaw.
on.
Don't be shy, come on!
Oh yeah, come on. You do something to me that I can't explain. You know, hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on.
Asan na yung mga dancers natin? Come on!
Tender love is blind, that requires a dedication. All this love we feel needs a conversation we're writing together. Oh yeah, making love with each other.
Everybody sing along!
Islands in the street, that is what we are. Down in between, how can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Come on!
I can live without you if the love was gone.
Tingnan natin kung sino mataas ang energy, ha?
Everything is nothing if you got no
Hey,
one.
hey,
You
hey.
walk in the night, slowly losing sight of the real thing. Ayun, may sumasayaw na! Come on! But that don't happen to us
Oh,
if we
yeah.
got no doubt.
Wow!
To deep in love and we got no way out, and the message is clear. This could be the year of a real thing. No more will you cry.
Let's go!
Baby, I will hurt you never.
There you go.
We started at us one. In love forever we can ride together. Making love with each other. Everybody! Islands in the stream, that is what we are. Not in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one love to another. Woo! Ayan, gusto ko yung mga nakikita ko sumasayaw. Yeah! Let's go!
Say we, yeah.
Oh,
Hey!
come say with me.
Come on, party people.
It's like, come on! Islands in the stream, that is what we are. Not in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Dito na side, meron ba dyan? Islands in the stream, that is what we are. Not in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Come on! Go! Wala sa likod, oh!
There you go.
Yay!
Say we, yeah.
Sayawan kayo dyan! Woo!
Hoy!
Palakpakan naman! Woo! Gusto nyo pa ba?
Uy, intro pa lang yan,
Intro pa lang. Siyempre, this time, we're gonna change the beat. Sino ba mga mahilig sa love songs? Ayun. Yung love songs, hindi lang yun para sa mga in love, ha? Pwede din para sa mga single, para sa mga sawi sa pag-ibig, yung may hugot ngayong gabi.
O, dito natin malalaman
Yes.
kung sino matataas ang energy ngayong gabi.
Oo.
Sino bang mga mahilig dito sa all-time favorite music?
Yun.
Alam ko, makaka-reminisce kayo sa mga songs na to, ng mga next song namin. Para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music, kung sino makita namin pinakamataas ang energy, bibigyan namin ng souvenir. Para sa inyo, something song from... Baby, wanna tell me why there is sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love was one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my hand. You don't wanna set it up, but you don't want to make it stop. I don't wanna feel lost right now. Now you want me to forget everything you said. There is something left in my hand. Everybody sing! I want the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long. Let's go, boy! Now another man, your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know. I was almost about to lose my faith. I'm still dreaming, but it was too late. Saan ba yung pinakamataas ang energy ngayong gabi? But then you came along to my surprise. Sino gusto ng surprise? Yeah. Everybody sing, come on. And stole my heart before my very eyes. If you know the words, everybody sing. You took me right, what? Through simply by showing that you love me too. Only by giving me your everything with a love so true. O kayo naman. Ayos maraming singer ngayon From my youngest
Ayaw cool.
to this moment, yeah. Come on, everybody! I've never seen such a lovely queen. Pwede bang bumaba? From the skies above. Hey! Your good evening po, Mayor. To the deepest love. Hello po, good evening po sa mga horado natin sa harap. I've never felt crazy like this before. Santa Ignacio, everybody sing! Paint my love, what? It's the picture of thousand sunsets. Hey! It's the freedom of a thousand doves. Baby, you should paint my love. Hello po. Kamusta tayo sa likod? since you came into my life. Yeah! The days before, on the fade of black and white. Since you came into my... Ang daming tao dito sa likod ah. Everything is changed. Ayaw! Oy, ingatan natin yung mga dalang bata ha. Baka maipit sila. Ay, isa ba tayo dito sa likod? Alright, another song. After some times I found a made up of mine. She is the girl and I really want to make her mine. Kamusta tayo dito sa gilid? I'm searching everywhere to find her again. Let's go! Itaas ang kamay to tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. Isa-isahin natin to. I found her standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying,
Everybody sing along!
sing it louder! Boy, you miss your kisses. Hey, 25 minutes too late. Though you travel so far, only beside me you are. 25 minutes too late.
I can still hear her say.
Ito, another, para sa lahat ng mga matataas ang energy ngayong gabi.
Put your hands in the air for the people!
Taas kamay! Hey! 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 Itaas ang kamay, everybody! Everybody, itaas ang kamay!
Let's sing the song!
The Milky Way above the heaven, swinging just for you, for you, for you. The Mr. Moon, he came by to say goodnight to you. Good night. I sing for you, I sing for Mother, praying for the world. Oh yeah. And for the people everywhere, gonna show them all we can. Everybody sing! Oh my sleeping child, the world's so wide, but you build the road. Paradise, that's one reason why I'll cover you, sleepy child.
Cover my child.
I'm gonna cover my sleepy child. Oh yeah.
Keep you away.
Keep you away from the world so wide. Keep you away from the world, away from the world so wide. Woo! Sleeping child. Gusto ko yung energy na nasa gilid ah.
Palakpakan!
Sige, tingnan natin ah.
Woo!
Ang taas pala ng mga energy ng mga taga-Tarlac. Oo,
grabe.
first time natin dito sa
Thank you
ano
guys for singing with us. That's a wonderful song. And this time, bigyan naman natin ng chance yung mga couples ngayong gabi. May mga couples ba dito? Ayun, talagang.
Mukhang
yan ang
wala,
mga gusto
mukhang
ko.
marami ah.
Dito na side, may mga couples ba? Ayun. Alright, this time, pwede nating isayaw yung mga partners natin dito sa harap. Proud ba kayo? Proud ba kayo na may partner kayo ngayong gabi?
Uy, itong next song natin guys.
Oo.
Dito natin malalaman kung gaano ka-proud yung mga partner nila.
Oo. At kung sino yung pinaka-sweet na makita namin, bibigyan namin ng souvenir. Ayos ba yun?
Oh, malawak yung dance floor natin
Oh,
sa harap
malawak,
ha. Huwag kayong
malawak.
mahiya. Alright.
Sige.
Next song. There you go. I know it's late. I know you worry. I know your plans don't include me. Hello po. Still here with you, but all the slowly longing for shelter for all that we see. Sana all. Why should we worry? No one will care, girl. Look at the stars now, so far away. We've got tonight. Who needs tomorrow? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't you stay?
Deep in my soul, I've been so lonely.
Ang dami dito ah.
All of my hopes fading away. I'm long for love, like everyone else does. I know I keep searching until today.
So there it is, girl. We've got it all now.
And here we are, babe. What do you say? We've got tonight. Who needs tomorrow? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay?
I know it's late and I know you're weary. I know your plans don't include me.
Both of us lonely, both of us lonely.
Ang dami na ito. Parang kasalan ng bayan ah. We've got tonight.
Who needs tomorrow?
Let's make it last.
Let's find a way.
Turn out the light.
Oh, come take my hand now. We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay?
Hey, mabuhay ang mga bagong kasal. Ayos ah. Oh, mamili ka kung sinong pinaka-sweet ngayong gabi.
Eto na. Eto na. Huwag muna kayo umalis. Ayaw naman ng souvenir.
Ito,
sige.
piliin mo yung pinaka-sweet.
Tingnan natin kung sino talaga yung pinaka-sweet. Bago kayo umalis dyan, pwede mo ba makahingi ng isang kiss?
Yay!
Kiss po tayo! Ay! Sabi ko na, sila talaga yung pinakaunang magkikiss. Pero salamat, palakpakan naman po natin yung lahat ng mga sumayaw dito sa harap. Salamat po ng marami. At sila po yung una kong nakitang nag-kiss. Thank you po! Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Salamat. Thank you po. Alright. O tapos na tayo sa mga couples.
Maraming mga bata.
Mukhang marami tayong kabataan ngayong gabi. Gusto ko makita yung mga kamay ng kabataan.
Ay, grabe naman. Oy, mga kabataan, hindi magkikiss ha.
Grabe, tumayong talaga kabataan.
Alright, mga kabataan, itaas ang kamay.
Yo, gusto ko yan.
Ako, parang
Gusto
isip
ko
bata
yan.
yung iba.
Bakit ba? Kung sa kanila parang bata pa yung feel nila, di ba okay naman? Yun. Siyempre, pagbibigyan natin lahat ng mga kabataan ngayong gabi para naman makarelate naman sila ng konti. Ayos ba yun? Yes! If you know this song, sing with me. Come on. Kahit ikaw ay magalit sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawit. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, ibigin pa rin kita kahit ayaw mo na. Kabataan!
Everybody say,
Tatakbo. Yun! I love that! Come
let's
on!
go!
Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Everybody say! Oh, bakit ba? Ah! Pakiusap lang nawa ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Tulig sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Everybody! Lapit, layo ng layo, ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Ang labo niyo! Kayo'y malabo, bumalik at muli ka rin aalis. Tatakbo ka ng mabilis, yayakapin ng mahigpit. Ang hirap pag di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan, kung ako ba ay pagbibigyan o nalilito lang kung saan. Yung mas malakas, tatakbo. Santa Ignacia! Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang nawa ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? O dito naman, love. Yun! Ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Malabo sa likod, tayo'y malabo. Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit. Layo ng layo, ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Malabo, one more time! O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang nawa ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Tulig sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit. Kahit di ka na sa'kin. Iba din ang energy ng mga kabataan. Grabe, dapat hindi talaga ako papatalo, no? Dami din dito, oh! Hi! Yo, buhay na buhay ang mga energy. Gusto nyo pa ba? Yun.
Ito,
Grabe ko.
gusto namin mag-enjoy tayong lahat kaya kumakanta kami ng variety of music para sa
Yeah.
lahat ng mga kabataan, ate, kuya, nanay, tatay, lolo, lola. Gusto namin
Yeah.
mag-enjoy tayong lahat ngayong gabi. So tapos na tayo sa mga kabataan. Mayroon ba dito yung... Sino ba dito yung mga in love pero hindi nila kasama ngayong gabi yung mga partner nila?
Ay! Anong tawag dyan?
Bakit naman saan nyo ba... Bakit parang dito na side, parang always present sila sa lahat ng kategory? Natulog na? In short, sino mga long distance relationship ngayong gabi?
Ayun.
Alright, sabay-sabay natin kumustahin yung mga partner natin na hindi natin kasama ngayong gabi. Know the words, don't be shy. Come on, para sa lahat ng mga may mga LDR. Oh yeah. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Okay lang. Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong intindihin. Nakakaraos din. Pangabing pamluhan, dinadaan sa awit din. Nalulungkot kong damdamin na ano na rin.
Santa Ignacia, if you know the song, sing along with us. Come on.
Panaginip, ikaw, sinta. Oh yeah. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo kay para rin kapiling ka, mahal. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Kumusta ka? Lalalim na itong gabi, malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Kung mayayakap lang kita, lamig ay di nadarama.
Mga nasa likod, if you know the song.
Panaginip, laging ikaw, sinta. Oh yeah. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo kay para rin kapiling ka, mahal. Okay naman, everybody sing. Ayos lang naman. Kumusta ka, aking mahal?
Ayos lang din.
Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong intindihin. Nakakaraos din. Kumusta ka, aking my love?
Pwede, pwede. Ayos lang naman. Nandito sa Santa Ignacia. Palakpakan naman dyan! Woo! Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Gusto niyo bang sumayaw na? Mamaya konti. Ubusin muna natin yung mga love songs para sulit naman yung gabi natin. Ayos na ba kayo dyan? Ayun. Sige, tapos na tayo sa mga may LDR. Dito naman tayo sa mga niloko ngayong gabi. Sino mga niloko? Aray mo!
Diyos ko, ang dami.
Bakit niloko ay ang ganda mo? You can have a song, come on! Niloko mo, winasak mo, pati mga pangarap ko. Ilan kaya ang tulad mo? Bakit ganyan ang puso mo? Sabay
Natatawa ko na halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay bilis naman, sino ba'y nakuha mo? Mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa? Yung mga manluloko, 2026 na, magbago na kayo! Nilason mo ang isip ko, ang puso at damdamin ko. Anong sakit sa aking dibdib, ang pag-ibig na alay mo. Isa pa! Natatawa ko nang marinig ko ang balita, mayroon ka ng iba. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay bilis naman, sino ba'y nakuha mo? Mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa? O dito na sa'y natatawa ko. Thank you! Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay bilis naman, sino ba'y nakuha mo? Mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa? Natatawa ko nang marinig ko ang balitang mayroon ka ng iba.
Aray ko.
Para sa lahat ng mga niloko, itawan nyo lang yan. Maraming salamat po! Woo!
Grabe, ang dami palang single mga niloko ngayong gabi.
Gusto ko bigyan yung mga single.
Sino ba mga single dito ngayong gabi? Taas ang kamay. Sino ba mga in love? Itaas ang kamay.
Bakit magaganda yung mga single? Anong nangyari?
Kawawa naman yung mga... Sige, bigyan natin ng mga souvenir yung single.
Yes,
para sa
sige.
lahat ng mga single ngayong gabi. Damihan natin to, ubusin na natin bago tayo magsayawan. Mga single, magingay! Mula nang mawalay ka na, damdamin kong ito sa'yo di na mapalagan. Tinatanong itong aking puso, bakit biglang nagbago ka? Ako ba'y nagkulang sa iyo? Sayang lang ang pagkakasan na inalay ko. Bakit ikaw ngayon na biglang naglaho? Bakit ko ang siyang marunong, nako, ay siyang madalas maiwan nang di alam ang dahilan? Bakit kung sino pa ang siyang marunong magmahal ay siyang madalas maiwan nang di alam ang dahilan? Sayang lang ang pagmamahal na inalay ko sa'yo. Bakit ikaw ngayon na biglang naglaho? Sana ba yung mga single? Dito na naman tayo sa gilid. Alright! Next song namin, para sa lahat ng mga nanghihinayang, para sa lahat ng mga sinaktan ng pag-ibig, itaas ang kamay! Aray ko, bakit sa lupalop ng mundo ang daming mga single. Isa to sa pinakasakit namin na line-up. Sobrang daming single ngayong gabi para sa inyong lahat. Ayos ba tayo dyan sa likod? Alright, next song. Pwede na rin to. Inaamin ko, nagkamali ako. Inaamin ko, saktan ko ang puso mo. Iniwan ka nang walang dahilan, sumama sa iba, hindi mo lang ako nagpaalam. Di man lang nagpaalam. Ang sakit. Nabalitaan ko, lagi ka raw tulala. Dinigdig mong aking pagkawala. Palagi ka raw umiiyak, lagi mo raw akong hinahanap. Di ka pa rin nagbabago, mahal mo pa rin ako. Nangihinayang ang puso ko, sa piling ko'y lumuwag na lang. Saktan lamang kita. Hindi na sana iniwan pa. Iniwan kang nag-iisa at nagdurusa. Ako sana'y patawarin na. Another song. Move on, move on. Kapag ang puso'y di sana'y mag-isa, puro lungkot na lang ang nadarama. Kapag walang tibok, walang ligaya, kapag wala ka, buhay ko'y walang sigla. Iyong pangako'y ako'y laging mamahalin. Tandang-tanda ko pa ang ating sumpaan. Dito na side. Hanggang wakas, tingnan natin ay magsasama. Humulan bumagyo, gumuhuman ang mundo, ikaw at ako pa rin.
Sabay-sabay!
Say, remember. Kapag nag-iisa, kapag ika'y nalulungkot, huwag kang mag-alala. Remember me. Kapag iniwan ka, luhaan at sugatan ng iyong minamahal. Remember me. Di ko kayang limutin ka noon, ngayon, magpakailanman ako'y maghihintay. Marami pa kaming ipamimigay sa mga nagtataas ang energy. Ubusin na natin to. Bakit ba ang buhay ko'y ganito? Wala na yatang natitirang pag-asa sa mundo. Lagi na lang tayong pinaglalayo. nadarama ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo. Ayos ah, taas kamay eh. Let me see your hands, come on. Di ko na kaya ang humanap pa ng iba, pagkat ikaw lang ang tanging sinasamba. Alam mo ba, kapag kapiling ka, bawat sandali ay walang kasing ligaya.
Sabay ka siya!
Everybody! Umiyak, sumisigaw, pati ang isip ko't damdamin ay humihiyaw. Buhay kong ito ay walang halaga kung ang pagmamahal mo ay mawawala pa. Umiyak ang puso ko't sumisigaw, pati ang isip ko't damdamin ay humihiyaw. Pagmamahal mo lang ang tanging pag-asa, di ko kayang mabuhay kung lalayo ka. Ladies and gentlemen, Charlotte, shoutout mo ang mga single.
Para sa mga nagmahal ngayong gabi,
Pero
hindi naging sapat yung pagmamahal. Oh.
Aray ko, sinaktan pa rin.
Kung alam niyo yung kanta, you can sing along with me, guys. Come on. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa, iaalay buong buhay. Lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Sing with me, guys, come on! Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Come on! Bakit nga ba kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka mang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? Pwede bang isa pa? Mahal kita. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka mang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? O bakit nga ba? Sabay! Mahal kita. Maraming salamat po. And this time, excited na akong makipagsayawan sa inyo. Ah! Dapat yung mga nasa harap, sasayaw kayo, ha? Ayos ba yon? Okay, game na game talaga yung side dito. Maraming salamat po. But before tayo magsasayawan, gusto ko pong magpailaw muna tayo dito. Meron ba kayong mga flashlights dyan sa cellphone nyo? Ayan, gusto natin gawin dito yung Sea of Lights kasi napakarami natin ngayong gabi. Baka mag-trending tayo. Pakita natin sa buong Pilipinas gaano tayo karami ngayon dito. Nagsa-celebrate ng founding anniversary. Ayan, more flashlights. Mas maganda to tingnan. Ayan. And let's sing this wonderful song together. This one is for you guys. Hope you like this. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. Your love can be, and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find.
Beautiful.
Sabay-sabay! So when I'm on you, yes. Every time we sing, beautiful. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Come on! Lovers in the night, poets try to rhyme. We don't know how to rhyme, but then we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. To part of me, it's you. Will never die. Come on. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Hey. Woo-hoo, 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 woo-hoo. Spend a more choked up and I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Sumayaw! Come on, party people! Woo! Ayun! Sumama si sumayaw!
People say that I'm a fool, but I don't know.
Asan yung mga dancer natin dito sa gitna?
These are proud of what it takes to
Don't be
be
shy!
strong.
Let's see, try it out, come on!
I was dreaming all day long, drifting
I
high.
love this group, come on!
With eyes wide open, I would choose not to see.
Sunday Nasha, are you ready to dance? Come on!
No, I don't want to see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling.
Yes, don't be shy, come on!
Say good morning to the world.
Yes, the energy,
I hope
Sunday
you like
Nasha!
it. Oh yeah, come on. Take good care of all those things that we have. Pwede tayong sumayaw. I've been looking for a way for too long now.
You can dance here sa front, ha? Don't be shy.
Seems like everything must come to one end.
Let's do it one more time.
Everybody,
One, two,
dance. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Oh yeah, no one will be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweeter smile.
Come on, join us
Not
here.
even if you beg me, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweeter smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Ayan
You
na.
join us here sa front.
Time after time, nothing that I can do. There you go, come on. Knowing you ways and loving you ways, but nothing through it all. Day after day, leaving the past behind.
Join us here, come on.
Coming to turn sweet, stitches and burden, learn to fly again.
Everybody shout.
No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweeter smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweeter smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please.
I love the energy. Woo! Come on. Yung mga nasa likod, you can join us. Just dance over there. Woo! Yung mga nasa gilid, you can dance also. Come on. Don't be shy. Woo!
Oh yes, sayawan na!
Yung mga nasa gilid, pwede kayo mag-join dito. Yeah. Woo! Do you want more? Sayonara! Let's go! Today life's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I'm feeling.
Hey, hey,
I cannot lie
hey, hey!
from you. I cannot hide,
Oh yeah!
and I'm losing the will to try.
Alright, sayawan ng party people!
Give on,
1, 2, 3.
So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless and me, tease me until I get denied. So love me, feel it, make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah. Come on, party people! And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need.
Let's go!
tonight. It's like a dream.
Party people!
Oh, I'm not asleep, and I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave. Come on, dance. So go on, come on, leave me breathless and me, tease me until I get denied. So love it, feel it, make me long for your kiss. Go on,
Everybody dance!
Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang bibig ko. Sa pinatid kita ko nang magkatabi kaya.
To the DJ, you kiss, idol!
Di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsasalosan siya. Bakit pa siya? Oh, bakit di na lang ako?
Ayaw boy, bata pa ko boy.
Sabay! Woo! Come on! Yes! Woo! Igiling na igiling! Kami siya! Come on! Ha! 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 Ayun! Magagaling sumayaw! One more time! One more time! Yahoo! Sana'y mapansin ang aking nadarama sa iyo. Aba, kundi lang rin ako, sana'y mamatay na lang tayo. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Everybody check! Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang bibig ko. Sa pinakikita ko na magkatabi kaya.
To the DJ, you
Kahit
kiss!
di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsasalosan siya.
What?
Bakit pa siya?
What?
Oh, bakit di na lang
What?
ako?
Wow.
Isa pa! Ha! Ha! Woo! Ay, ang gagaling naman talagang sumayaw!
Ayos
Let's
ah!
go! Woo! Ang galing nyo sumayaw ha! Gusto ko yung mga step nyo dyan ha! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Palakpakan namin yung mga sarili! Do you want more?
Hoy, nag-enjoy ba tayong lahat ngayong gabi? Taas ang lahat ng mga nag-enjoy ngayong gabi! Sino mga mahilig sa reggae music ngayong gabi? Dapat uuwi tayong lahat na masaya at pinapapawisan para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa reggae. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp! Chomp! Chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we wait. Now I remember
Sana
Zion.
wala!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp! Chomp! Chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we wait.
Woo!
Now I remember Zion.
Ha! Ha!
There's a weak dizzy carriers a wine captivity.
May sumayaw
Require
tayo dyan.
from us the sun.
Yeah!
Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in this strange
Ay,
land?
magpa-step in!
There's the weak dizzy carriers a wine captivity. Require from us the sun. Oh yeah! Now how shall we sing the Lord's song
Meron tayong
in this
leader dito sa...
strange land?
Let's go!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp! Chomp! Chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we were. Now I remember Zion.
Sa likod!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp! Chomp! Chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we were. Now I remember Zion.
Ayos na kayo dyan?
Let the word on my mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in this sight here tonight.
Let's go!
Oh, let the word on my mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in this sight here
Parang masaya
tonight.
dito no sa...
By the rivers of Babylon, jump, jump. There we sat down.
Chomp! Chomp! Chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we were.
Thank you guys!
Now I remember Zion.
One more time!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Everybody chants!
Yeah, yeah, we were. Now I remember Zion.
Ayos na kayo
There's the
dyan?
weak dizzy carriers the one and captivity. Require from us the sun. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in this strange
Grabe yung
land.
energy, oh!
There's a weak dizzy carriers Hawaiian captivity required from us the sound.
Ay, ang saya nun, oh!
Now how shall we
Why?
sing the Lord's song in this strange
Nakasiyahan din
land?
dyan.
Oh, let the word on my mouth and the meditations of my heart be
mga bata,
acceptable in
sumasayaw
this
din.
sight here tonight.
Let's go!
Oh, let the word on my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in this sight here
One more time, for
tonight.
the last time.
Fight that he was up, Babylon. There is that down.
Everybody jump!
Yeah, yeah, we will. Now I remember Zion.
Isa pa!
Fight that he was up, Babylon. There is that down. Yeah, yeah, we will. Hey, hey, hey. Now I remember Zion.
Hey! Palakpakan naman ang mga sarili. Iba din pala yung energy dito.
Alright, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating non-stop sayawan, pwede ba tayo mag-picture muna?
Pa-picture muna kami.
Alright, galing dito
Pwede
sa
kayo
harap.
dyan.
Galing sa harap, papunta sa likod, itaas ang ating mga kamay.
Yun! Pwede
Alright.
kayo dyan para mas kita kayo.
Para makita tayo sa camera, itaas natin ang ating mga kamay. Alright, ready? Alright, Santa Ignacia, taas kamay! Say A. Say B. A, B, C. A, B, C, D. Johnny, Johnny. Eating sugar. Very good, children.
Ginawang nursery rhyme. May energy pa ba kayo sumayaw? Gusto ko yan! Tara, sumayan nyo kami!
Hey! Greetings all the single ladies here in Santa Ignacia. Hey! Put your hands in the air, come on! Everybody put your hands up! Put your hands up! Say ho! Say hey, hey ho! Say wow, wow, wee! Bigyan ng jacket! There you're my angel. Look at sun, come on! Closer than my peeps you are to me. Wow, wow. Shaggy!
Shorty, you're my
Shaggy.
angel. You're
Shaggy.
my darling.
Shoo-bidu, bidu, 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 bidu,
Girl,
bidu,
you're my
wow,
friend
wow.
when I'm
Yeah.
in need.
Hey, let's go!
Love was one big party when I still young. My toes gonna have a bunk when it's over. It's all good when you let the have your fun. Can't be a force on a western loba loba. Looking back at the alias I'm in son. I said me not giving her much attention. I see what made from my cancer reason. I wanna show the nation of my
Everybody say,
appreciation.
girl, you're my angel.
Let's go.
You're my darling.
Shoo-bidu, bidu, 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 bidu,
Those are the
bidu, wow,
peeps
wow.
you are to
Yeah.
me.
Sa gilid, itaas ang kamay.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Come on, come on,
Girl, you're
come
my
on,
friend
come on. Hey, what,
lady.
You're a queen and I know you're so defeated. I know I'm loving, got the loving that you needed. I could have flipped, but I got that you heeded. It's okay, it needed, mission completed. Mama said that's how you nice this your program. Not to tell them it's already very much done. But the feeling that I have for you was so strong. I've been thinking it so long, and this can never be
Come
wrong.
on. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling.
Shoo-bidu-bidu. Come on.
Closer than my peeps you are to me.
What,
Baby,
what? Shaggy,
Shorty,
Shaggy.
you're my angel.
Hey.
You're my darling
Bidu, bidu,
angel.
bidu, bidu, bidu,
Girl,
bidu,
you're my
wow,
friend
wow.
when I'm
Yeah.
in need.
Hey, hey, hey.
Girl, it's not about behavior. Yes, you're my savior.
You must be sent from up above.
I use a piece of mess of thunder, I got surrender.
Thanks for giving me your love.
Hey, girl, it's not about behavior. Yes, you're my savior.
You must be sent from up above.
Are you a person must attend or cover surrender?
Thanks for giving me your love.
The love is one big party when I still young. But who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you let me have your fun. I can't be a force and I wanna but the long run. Looking back so the alliance I mentioned, I said me not giving her much attention.
Yeah.
She was dead from the incarceration. I wanna show the knees my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel. my darling
Subi-dubi-dubi. Itaas ang kamay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Subi-dubi-dubi-dubi.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling
Subi-dubi-dubi-dubi.
Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need.
One more time. Come on. Hey.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Shaggy.
Closer than
Shaggy.
my lips, you are to
Shaggy.
me, baby.
Wah,
Shorty, you're my
wah,
angel.
wah,
You're my
wah,
darling
wah, shala,
angel.
shala.
Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need, lady.
It wasn't me. Okay, ayos pa ba tayong lahat ngayong gabi?
Come on. Yeah.
Para sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nagmamahal sa OPM Hip Hop. Sino mga, pwede pa ba tayong kumanta sa likod? Sa chorus, sabayin nyo kami dito na side. Another song from Block 9. Hope you like this one. Yo! Di ko alam kung bakit, puro na lang pasakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Lagi tanong may bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Puro hirap at galit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Santa Ignacia, everybody! 1, 2, 3. Kayo po yung lakasan nyo. Tumayo, tumayo, break it down, yo. Let's go!
At baka madalaw ninyo tunay na kalagayan ko.
Ganito din eh. My tech, yo. Tao po na dyan po ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran. Taas ng pader, pinapaligiran ng kapilang mga mamahaling sasakyan. Mga pantay na langit, pulong ang pulong. Wala namang kasal pero marami ang nakabaro. Lumakas ba ng ulan na walang butas ang bubong? Mga plato at kutsara na hindi kilala. At kung matangkanin, simputi nagatasan na sa kahon. Kahit na hindi Pasko sa lamesa, may hamon na sarap siguro maniraan sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nila, tumurin matatapuan at ako na nagmamayari ng isang upuan. May pagkakataon ay pinag-aagawan. Kaya naman, di niya pinagkakawalan. Kung makikita ko lamang siya ay aking halikan. Hey!
Na nakaupo,
Lakasan nyo, everybody say.
yun naman tumayo.
Tumayo, tumayo, break it down, come on. Come on.
At
I can hear you.
baka ninyo tunay na kalagayan ko.
Mama, walang galang na po sa taong nakampo. Alam yung mong patakal ng bigas naman, hindi puno ang tinig ng bahay namin, ipinatapit-tapinyero. Sa gabi, sobrang init na tumutunaw ng yelo na di kahit pilino pang ilagay sa inumin. Pinakulong tubig sa lumata ko ring uling-uling. Gamit ang panggatong nga inanod lamang sa isero. Nagsisilbing kusinat sa umagi aming banyo. Ang aking hinay na may kayamaning isang kaldero. Di gagamit ng pag ang aking gamay. Sumbela pera, kulang na kulang pa rin. Ulam na tuyot asin. At sikot na pensa maghahapoy pagkakasyahin. Di ko alam ko talagang maraming harang o mataas na kambagulo. Nagbubulak-bulakan lamang po kayo. Kahit sa dami ng pera nyo, walang doktor na makapagpapalinaw ng mata nyo. Kaya
Huwag kang masyadong
bato sa langit.
Ang kamay, huwag
Huwag masyadong
magaling.
halata.
Bato sa langit.
Let's go.
Ang matamaan ay
Huwag masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Huwag na huwag na huwag na huwag na huwag.
Huwag kang
masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Yo, masasabihin na ako. Mic check, mic check. Yo, halika nang pasukin natin ang mundo ng laro. May kosa mas matindi pa sa mga ego at gano kapag pumanat sa mic. Katumbas ko ilang tumbok sa aking dila na hindi na nagbabago ng atulog. Hinasa ng panahon, sabay ng beatbox yung estilo. Tinilapat ang mga letra sa tigas sa eskudero. At tilang witong barbero ang aking natanggap. Hamas sa baho ng pangalan ko'y kay hirap at tanggap. Ako yung bata na gustong gawin batakan ng veteranong naturing ang utak ay walang laman. Magkokompose ang English rap na ang puti rin mapabounce sa papanggap na Inglesero. Mga bobong mag-pronounce fully facts, pero ang rami ngay na discorrect. Hindi matay ang pag-aate. Sabi ni Direk, wala kang karangalan. Para sa akin magyabang, isa ka lang natagahangan. Gusto sa akin mag-abang. Break it down.
Palakpakan naman
Yeah.
dyan! May energy pa ba? Gusto ko makita yung kamay ng mga millennials ngayong gabi. Asa yung mga millennials? Mga Gen Z, may Gen Z din? Alright, sabayan niyo ako. Alam niyo yung kantang to. If you know the song, you can sing along with me and just enjoy the song para po sa inyong lahat. Come on, come on! We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. Let's go! See the lights, see the party, the ball guys. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. Here we go! That you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. Somewhere! And I said, somewhere we can be alone, I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run, you'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet, 'cause we're ready for music, close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while. Oh, 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 'cause you were Romeo, I was a Scarlet Letter. And my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me, I was begging you, please don't go. One more time! And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me, they try to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's a real deal. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Santa Ignacio, you know the preach part. Sing with me, come on. I get tired of waiting, wondering if you would ever come in around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. And still in my head, I don't know what you're thinking. Now to the ground and pull out the ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You'll never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. Talk to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Cause we were both young when I first saw you. Palakpakan naman dyan. Maraming salamat po. And this time, alam ko napagod kayo sa kakasayaw. So, mayroon lang tayo mga konting pasasalamatan ngayong gabi bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating next song. Okay lang ba magpasalamat muna tayo? Of course, dahil sa mga taong ito, napadpad kami dito sa Santa Ignacia at nakapag-perform. First time po namin mag-perform sa Tarlac po na open sa public. Kasi lahat po ng mga natugtugan namin is private event. So, very happy po kami at dito po kami unang nakatungtong sa Santa Ignacia. Palakpakan naman po. Happy ba kayo nandito kami? Pwede ko bang malaman sino yung mga followers ng Sweet Notes ngayong gabi? Ay, isa po kayo sa 8 million followers namin. So, napakalaking tulong or suporta po talaga na nandito kami at tinanggap niyo po kami ng mainit na pagtanggap. Maraming salamat po. And of course, I would like to thank ang ating Mayor, Honorable Mayor Joyce Agustin Camiling and the former Mayor Erlon Agustin Camiling. Palakpakan naman po natin ng malakas po. Maraming salamat, Mayor and former Mayor natin. Maraming salamat also to Honorable Romeo Capitulo San Jose. Palakpakan naman po natin. And the former Mayor Nora Tanwaco Mobomo. Ayan, sorry po. Ayan, sa ating former Mayor Nora. Thank you so much po. Meron pa ba akong nakaligtaan? Ayun. And to Honorable Aurelio Castillo, palakpakan din po natin. Maraming salamat din po sa lahat po na nandito ngayong gabi. Sa mainit na pagtanggap po sa Sweet Notes, palakpakan din po yung mga sarili natin. Thank you so much. Alright. This time, pwede ko bang malaman kung meron pong mga magkakaibigan ngayong gabi? Taas po yung kamay ng... Ay, ang dami. Yung mga totoong magkaibigan. Alam niyo ba yung totoong magkaibigan?
Oh, yung totoong magkaibigan, kasi sabi nila, yung totoong kaibigan daw, malakas daw umutang ng pera. Di, joke lang.
Joke lang yun.
Okay, para sa lahat ng mga magkakaibigan ngayong gabi, taas ang ating mga kamay dahil para sa inyo yung ating next.
Sabay-sabay tayo kantahin ito. Pwede niyong hawakan yung kamay ng kaibigan niyo.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, sabay-sabay!
Let's come on!
Keep smiling,
Keep smiling.
keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure. Sing together! Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Alright, itaas ang kamay lahat ng mga magkakaibigan ngayong gabi. Let's go! Well, you given up in me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you with it. For the times when we're apart, where the goals are rising, know there's more to coming from my heart. And then if you can't remember,
One more time. Keep smiling,
smiling.
keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times,
Good time.
and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
There you go. One more time.
Oh,
Keep smiling.
keep shining, knowing you can always count on me.
You know.
For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times
Good time.
and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. Oh, for sure. Tell me, baby, that's what friends are for.
That's what friends are for. Palakpakan lahat ng mga magkakaibigan ngayong gabi. Always spread love para sa lahat. Peace.
Maraming salamat din po for singing with us. Woo! Meron pa ba kayong mga energy dyan? Kasi sa remaining songs namin, gusto ko po makikita talaga na sumasayaw at nag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Pwede po bang maka-request ulit? Sabayan niyo po kami for the remaining songs. Ayos lang ba yun? Gusto ko po makita kayo sumasayaw ngayong gabi. If you want to dance, guys, don't be shy. Come on! Santa Ignacio! Come on! Everybody dance for the people! Ay, gusto ko yan! Samahan niyo kami for the remaining songs. You wanna dance? Come on! Here we go! 1, 2, 3, go! 12:30 and I'm watching the late show. My plans all alone.
Oh, yeah!
I hate to spend the evening on my
Alright, sa mga gusto pa sumayaw.
autumn breeze blowing outside the window. So look around the room and it makes me so depressed to see the blue. There's not a soul out there, no one to hear my prayer. Everybody dance, give me a man up to midnight. Want somebody help me chase the shadows away. Give me a man up to midnight. Take me through the darkness to the break of the day. Pwede ba natin itaas yung ating mga kamay? Let's sing this Mamma Mia! Come on! Everybody dance! I've been cheated by you since I don't know it.
Alright, sayawan na. Let's go.
I made up my mind, it must come to an end.
Oh, dito na side. Come on, everybody, don't be shy.
Look at me now, will I ever learn? Don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Everybody sing.
Hey.
Just one look and I can hear the rain. One more look and I forget everything.
Come on.
Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. Yes, I'm broken hearted. Blues is the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. Mama, I could never let you go. Everybody dance! Let's go!
1, 2, 3,
I
hey.
can dance with you, baby, if you think it's funny. That's your mind, know that you're out. Come on! Well, I can chat with you, baby, little baby. That's your mind, know that you're out. DJ!
Take it easy, and to slow down, girl.
Yes,
That's the
ika
way we
lang.
go. It's a modern low. Take it easy, kinda cool.
Ayun, sumayaw na!
It's a modern
One more time!
low.
Ha, ha, ha. I can dance with you, baby, if you think it's funny. That's your mind, know that you're out. Well, I can chat with you, baby, little baby. That's your mind, know that you're out. One more time! Well, I can dance with you, baby, if you think it's funny. That's your mind, know that you're out. Well, I can chat with you, baby, little baby. That's your mind, know that you're out. That's your mind, know that you're out. That's your mind, know that you're out. That's your mind, know. That's your mind, know that you're out.
Alright, to all the dancing queens in the house. Everybody, sayawan na.
Come on. You can dance.
Let's go.
You can try. Having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl. Watch that scene. Begin the dancing queen. Ayun. Isayaw nyo na yan.
Let's go.
Friday night and the lights are low. Looking out for a place to go. Ooh, where to play the right music. Getting very sweet. Anybody could be that.
music's high. With a bit of rock music, everything's fine. You're in the and when you get the chance, everybody dance! You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, you can jump, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, begin the dancing queen. Yeah, let's keep it dancing, come on! Woo! Come on, dance! Ha, ha, ha!
Ang kasiyahan, tunay na pagmamahalan ay
Come on, sayaw,
nararamdaman.
sayaw!
Lalo na't kung nagsasayawan, awiting bago ang naghihintay para sayaw mo.
Awiting bago'y naghihintay upang isan. Ay, sa likod, sumayaw!
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itakang panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong patuloy ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itakang panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Ang saya!
Panahon natin ay naiiba, kaya't sumili, masasayang awitin.
Yung mga nasa likod, pwede kayo sumayaw dyan!
Ang kiligin,
Yes, come on!
awitin bago ang naghihintay para sayaw mo.
Awiting bago'y naghihintay upang isan mo.
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa aking takdang panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong patuloy ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa aking takdang panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Everybody, come on, let's rock together! Hey, hey! Yay! Hoorah!
Alright, sa mga gusto pang sumayaw, don't be shy, party people.
Hoorah!
Hey!
Rock and roll, come on! Hoorah! Sama! Hoorah! Let's go, let's go! Everybody, yes, and
One, two, come on. Rock, baby, rock, baby, rock into my heart.
one more time!
Rock, baby, rock, baby, say we'll never part.
Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Oh yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah!
yeah, yeah, yeah. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan,
Woo!
ako ay lalo nang nahihibang.
Everybody cheers!
Come on, it's rock it tonight. Ako'y sa'yo forever. Oh yeah! At ibuhos ko na pagkatayuan.
Ang gaganda naman dyan, oh!
Oh yeah! Rock, baby, rock.
Mga magaganda at mga sexy nila!
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Ha! Ha!
Rock! Rock! Alright, sa mga gusto pang sumayaw, don't be shy.
One more time, let's do it! Kaya na!
Rock, baby, dahan-dahan lang.
One more time!
Rock, baby, baby, ako'y nag-aabang.
Woo!
Rock, baby, come rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, come rock, baby, rock. sa pagtitingin natin.
Yeah!
Sana ay di na wakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit na atin, awit na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang pakikinggan. Oh yeah! Magpakailanman. Oh, 1, 2, let's go! Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na madalawahan. Kaya't sa aming awit tayo ay magbigaya.
Everybody say!
Oh yeah! At
Isa sa'yo ko, awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko, sing it out!
ha ha ha.
Yeah!
Walang ibang sasarap sa pagtitingin natin. Sana ay di na mawakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman. Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na padalawahan. Kaya't sa aming awit tayo ay magbigayan.
One more time! Awitin mo.
Oh yeah!
At isa sa'yo ko, ha! Awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko, ha! One more time! Everybody say! Ha! Awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko, ha! Awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko, ha!
And this time we're down to our last two songs.
Yes! Let's give it one second, come on! Yes, and let's do some! Hey! If you know the song, you can sing along with us. This is our last two songs, everybody! Come on! Touching 5 years of life and steel, trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a salvation. Yes, come on! I realized quickly when I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man. For whatever that means. Alam niyo ba to? Everybody sing along. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it on what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? Everybody say, and I say, I said,
Hey!
yeah, one more time. And I said,
Lakasan, come on!
It's awake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? One more time,
Everybody!
and I say,
Oh yeah!
I said, hey,
Hey!
yeah, you know, one more time, and I said, yeah, hey, I said, hey, o dito naman,
Hey!
thank you so much, and I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, I said, hey, what's going on? Hey, ooh, taking my ears off my lip and steel, trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. Palakpakan na yung mga sarili! Thank you for singing with me! Woo! Are you guys enjoying the night? Thank you! Woo! At this time, we would like to thank all of you guys for singing, for dancing with us, for enjoying the night, and for inviting Sweet Notes Music. Happy birthday anniversary! Thank you! Your last song, hope you like this one. Thank you so much! Come on, sing with me! Joseph's on a vacation far away. Come around and talk it over. So many things that I want to say. You know I like my girls a little bit older. I just want to use your love tonight. Yeah. I don't want to lose your love tonight. Come on! I ain't got many friends left to talk to. No one's around when I'm troubled. You know I'd do anything for you. Stay the night but keep it undercover. I just wanna use your love tonight. Yeah, I don't wanna lose your love tonight. DJ guitar for the last time. Something in my mind just making sense. It's been a while since you were all alone. I can help the way I'm feeling. I should let me please, won't you close the door? And don't forget what I told you. Just cause you're right, that don't mean I'm wrong. Another shoulder to cry